Today we will start fifth question of exercise 4.1. Good morning to all of you. 5 question. You have to convert this question right in statement forms. First is given p plus 4 is equal to 15. You make, I have written here the number p is added to 4. The number p is added to 4 gives 15. You can make your own language also, students. M minus 7 is equal to 3. So I will write my minus wali term, I will write first. 7 is subtracted from m gives 3. 2m is equal to 7. It means 2 times m gives 7. M by 5 is equal to 3. It means m, a number m is divided by 5 gives 3. Next is 3m by 5 is equal to 6. I will write 3 times a number m divided by 5 gives 6. These 3 parts are homework. You have to do all these parts yourself. And next is question 6. Set up an equation. Students, you need not to solve equation in this question. You have to only set up the equation, make the equation. Irfan has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. That is equal to 37 is given in your book. Let Parmeet's marble is equal to 30 m, and Irfan has marbles 5 times of Parmeet's marble plus 7. It means 5m plus 7 is equal to 37. Is equal to 37 should be there. 37. Next, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Let's Lakshmi's age is equal to y years. It's given in your book in hint. और फादर्स एज हो गई उसका 3 times plus 4. It means 3 by plus 4 is equal to 49. You have to set up only equation. No need to solve this equation. No need to find the value of y here. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. It means we have to let lowest marks. मान लो let lowest marks L और highest marks कितने हो गए? Twice of L, double of L plus 7 is equal to 87. So the equation is 2L plus 7 is equal to 87. No need to solve the equation here. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Let these are, I will show you with the help of figure. This is an isosceles triangle. These are base angles and this is vertex. This is vertex angle. Vertex angle is double the base angle. मान लो base angle B, तो vertex angle double of B, that is 2B. And we know sum of all angles of a triangle is always 180. So sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. B plus 2B. I am writing the sum of all angles. B plus 2B is equal to 180. That is 4B is equal to 180. You need not find the value of B. You have to set up the equation. That is the answer. Let us start exercise 4.2. अब इसमें we will learn how to solve the equations. अब हमें सीखेंगे solve करते कैसे equation को. In first exercise we learned how to make a equation, or we make set up an equation. Now we will learn how we will solve the equation. X minus 1 is equal to 0 is given in your book. I will take this constant, this is variable, this is constant LHS, this is RHS. I will take this constant to the right hand side. जब हम इसे right hand side ले जाएंगे, it will change its sign. -1 वहाँ जाके +1 बन जाएगा. So it will become x is equal to 0 plus 1. Answer will be 1. I will tell you the rules first. Left hand, if I take something to left hand side to right hand side, I will change the sign. For example, plus minus में convert हो जाएगा, minus plus में, multiply divide में, और divide multiply में. ऐसे ही अगर हम if we are taking something to right hand side to left hand side, same I will convert the signs. B is equal to x plus 1 is equal to 0. I will take plus 1 on the RHS. RHS की तरफ जाते ही it will convert into minus. X is equal to 0 minus 1 answer. Now C part is x minus 1 is equal to 5. I will take this minus 1 to the right hand side. Minus 1 उधर जाते ही plus 1 हो जाएगा, at which will become x is equal to 5 plus 1. Answer is 6. D part is x plus 6 is equal to 2. I will take this 6 on the right hand side, plus 6 वहाँ जाते minus 6 हो जाएगा. The answer will be 2 minus 6 minus 4. X is equal to minus 4. E is equal to y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Y is equal to, I will take minus 4 to the right hand side. It will become plus 4. Then answer will be minus 4 plus -7 plus 4, answer is -3. Y -4 plus is equal to 4. I will take this -4 to the RHS. 4 plus 4, answer is y is equal to 8. Then y is plus 4 is equal to 4. I will take this 4 on the RHS. 4 minus 4, answer will be 0. Y plus 4 is equal to -4. I will take this plus 4 to the right hand side. Plus 4 वहाँ जाके -4 is already there. -4 -8 is the answer. Now second question is also based on solve the equation. This question was based on plus and minus. This question will be based on addition, division and multiplication. For example, 3 multiplied by L is equal to 42. It means there is a invisible multiply sign in between 3 and L. 3 और L के बीच में मल्टीप्लाई साइन है. जो यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई में है नंबर वो RHS में जाते डिवाइड में हो जाएगा. 42/3, आंसर विल बी 14. B पार्ट B/2. नाउ 2 इज़ गिवन इन डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ B, मतलब डिवाइड में दिया हुआ है और वहाँ जाते ही मल्टीप्लाई में हो जाएगा. जब मैं इस 2 को RHS पे ले जाऊँगी, इट विल बिकम इन मल्टीप्लाई साइन. तो B इज इक्वल टू 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 12. P/7 इज इक्वल टू 4. 7 इज इन डिवाइड साइन ऑन LHS और RHS पे शिफ्ट होते ही इट विल बिकम इन मल्टीप्लाई साइन. तो 7 4 से 28. D पार्ट X एंड 4 आर इन मल्टीप्लाई साइन और इसको मैं राइट हैंड साइड पे ले जाऊँगी, इट विल बिकम 25/4 इन डिवाइड साइन. E part 8y is equal to 36. 8 multiplied by y is equal to 36. It means there is a multiply sign between 8 and y. और I will convert this 8 multiply से उधर ले जाएंगे तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. कट कर रही हूँ in the table of 4, it will become 9/2 answer. F part z/3 is equal to 5/4. Student, I will keep the variable on one side on LHS. z को अकेला करना है. जो 3 यहाँ डिवाइड में है उधर जाते ही मल्टीप्लाई में हो जाएगा. 5 multiplied by 3 it will become 15/4. A/5 is equal to 7/15. यहाँ 5 is in division sign, so I will take this 5 to the RHS. It will become in multiply sign. 7 multiplied by 5. I will cut 7/3 answer. I will told all these parts in my Zoom class also in morning. 20 t is equal to -10. T is equal to -10/20. यह वाला 20 जो मल्टीप्लाई में है इट विल कम इन द डिविजन्स एंड सो इट विल बिकम 0 से 0 कैंसिल -1/2. थर्ड क्वेश्चन अगेन सॉल्व द इक्वेशन. इसमें प्लस माइनस डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई ऑल विल कम टुगेदर. 3 and -2 is equal to 46. I will take -2 on the right hand side. -2 उधर जाते +2 हो जाएगा. 46 + 2 48 it will become. And 3 और n को in there is an multiply sign in between them. So I will use 48/3. I will take this 3 in division. 48/3 answer will be 16. B part 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. Take 7 on the right hand side. It will become -7. 17 minus 7 10 is answer. I will divide by 5. Answer is 2. 20/3 is equal to P is equal to 40. But I will take cross multiply. I will multiply 40 multiplied by 3 and 20 in denominator. First I will multiply 40 multiplied by 3. It will become 120. Then I will take this 20 which is in with a negative multiply sign. It will come in division sign. 120/20 answer will be 6. Now 3p/10 is equal to 6. I will do क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. जो नीचे है उसको ऊपर ले गए, जो ऊपर है उसको नीचे ले आए. 6 multiplied by 10/3 आंसर विल बी 20. सॉल्व द इक्वेशन. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज दिस. 10p is equal to 100. बच्चों आई विल सॉल्व. p को मुझे अकेला करना है. विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ p. p is equal to 100/10 आंसर विल बी 10. b part 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. फर्स्ट आई विल टेक दिस 10 ऑन द RHS. वहाँ जाते ही माइनस का हो गया. 100 में से 10 माइनस किए इट विल बिकम 90. p is equal to 90/10 is equal to 9 आंसर. c p/4 is equal to 5. तो p is equal to I will देखो जो जहाँ यहाँ डिवाइड में है इट विल दिस नंबर विल कम इन मल्टीप्लाई साइन ऑन द नेक्स्ट साइड. तो 5 multiplied by 4 आंसर विल बी 20. d part -p/3 is equal to 15. I will multiply. देखो ये 3 is in divide sign now. I will multiply this on the RHS. 3 multiplied by 5 15 हो गया. But I have to find the value of p, not minus p. So I will shift p from my minus sign here from there. The answer is p is equal to -15. E part is 3p/4 is equal to 6. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई यू कैन यूज़ द मेथड. 4 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई एंड 3 इन डिनोमिनेटर. 6 multiplied by 4 24. 3 इन डिनोमिनेटर. कट किया तो आई विल गेट द आंसर 8. F part 3s is equal to -9. 3s is equal to -9. s is equal to ये जो यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई में यहाँ आते ही डिवाइड में हो जाएगा RHS में. -9/3 आंसर विल बी -3. आई विल कट विद द टेबल इन द टेबल ऑफ 3. Now G part is 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. I will take this 12 on the RHS plus 12 वहाँ जाते ही माइनस का 12 हो जाएगा. 3s इज इक्वल टू -12. s की वैल्यू आ गई -12/3 क्योंकि 3 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई साइन में है, उधर जाते ही डिवाइड साइन में हो जाएगा. तो -4 इज आंसर. 3s इज इक्वल टू 0. s इज इक्वल टू 0/3. किसी भी नंबर को इफ आई डिवाइड एनी नंबर विथ 0 आई विल गेट आंसर 0. तो फाइनली आंसर इज 0. 2q is equal to 6. I will write 2 multiply by q. There is a multiply sign between 2 and q. तो जब हम इसको q को अकेला करेंगे on LHS 6/2 आंसर इज 3. 2q minus 6 is equal to 0. q is equal to 6. q is equal to 6/2 आंसर will be 3. 2q plus 6 is equal to 0. पहले प्लस 6 को उधर लेगा, it will become -6. 0 minus 6 it remain -6. Let's find out the value of q by dividing by 2. Answer will be -3. Now 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. I will take this plus 6 on the RHS. 2q is equal to 12 minus 6. I will get 6. उसके बाद 2q is equal to 6 और I will find out the value of q by dividing by 2. Answer will be q by 2 is equal to 6/2 is equal to 3 answer. That's all for today. Have a nice day, students.